Hey everyone, if your smart view is not working on your mobile or connecting to a TV, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process to fix those. So let's just get started. So what we can do is we can just go ahead and check your network and devices. Head over and go to settings for that. Open up settings on both of your devices, your mobile device and your TV as well. And go to connections, and from there look out for the Wi-Fi or the network that both of the devices are connected to the same network, the exact same Wi-Fi network. And you can even try rebooting your router if this does not work. And check your devices. You can restart your devices as well. You can long press and hold up the power button, and you should be finding a power off option. You can just go ahead and select that option from the given menu and turn off your phone. Also, turn off your TV and then turn them back on and try reconnecting them together. On your phone, you can update your software. You can go to settings, and from here, you can just scroll through the given options and find the option for software update. Once you find it up, you can download and install the latest version to ensure that your phone is up to date and see if it works. On your TV, also, you can check for software update if there is any kind of available in the settings menu. Apart from that, in your device, you can just go ahead and force stop it. You can go to settings for that, and from there, you can just scroll to the apps, find apps and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can just go to the search at the top and you can search for Smart View if you have that option. And once you find Smart View option, you will just go ahead and clear the force stop it. So let's say this application is Smart View. So what you need to do is once you find it up, look out for the force stop option in the bottom right corner, and that should do it for you. And you can restart the application itself. And that is it. You can try out the solutions and see if it works. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.